Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today is package day. That's right folks, today's package comes into us from Thumper, Lockpicking Police Accountability. So this is a huge, massive package. I bet you this thing weighs probably 10, maybe 15 pounds. So let's go ahead and dig into it, see what we got, shall we? Make sure there's no... All right, cool. Dude, this thing is, wow, massive. And here we go. Holy cow. All right, so we have, first and foremost, a master bike lock. Nice. Very cool. We're going to have a lot of fun with that one. This is a Mossberg. It's like a gun lock. So I have not ever picked one of these open, so that will be a fun one too. All right, looks like we got a ChallengeLock here. Let's see what we got. It says ChallengeLock. Thumper ran out of keys. All right, well that's all right, bud. If I get into it, I'll see if I can't make a key for you, okay? That's nice. And we have a number 3. Sweet. Can never have enough number 3s. I wonder if that is also a ChallengeLock. All right, so what else we have here? Looks like we have a Champion padlock. And, ooh. I don't even know what this is. Looks something serious though. Another master. Cool. Dude, you totally set me up here, bro. This is killer. All right, let's see what else we have here. All right, we have a little note here. Huh. All right, no key for this one. It's called Heartache by Thumper. Ooh, a nice little Yale on there. This guy is also from Thumper. It's a quick set. Nice. And this guy is also from Thumper. Sweet. Oh, the note says, Strong Springs, do not use one of your better picks. I was making a key, something went wrong, and the key did not work. Still believe this is Pickle, calling it Heartache. Pickable, calling it Heartache. Nice. Okay. Oh, nice, dude. Dude sent me some pins that he made. That is incredible. Look at that. Look at how those are made. That is incredible. Very nice, man. I can't wait to throw those in something. Sent me a yo-yo. That's funny. Hey, that's cool. And it even got a own little pouch for it too. Sweet. I'm gonna start sporting that bad man pajama for sure. And the last package we have. Looks like we have. This is 54321 Snitch Drivers by Fast Charlie. Interesting little key there. Works like a champ. That one does. This is number 5. Not sure who this one's by. There's a key for that one. Nice little key. It works great, but just beat to hell that one is. Hawaii Spool O. This is by the Lockpicking Patrolman, number 3. Nice. I don't think I have anything by... Oh, shit. Well, there went that one. Great. Oh, gonna have to find all those pieces. Damn. That sucks, dude. I hate when shit like that happens. Well, Hopefully we can find all the right parts and pieces for that. All right, darn it. And it looks like the last one I got here is by Thumper. And this is a Corbin. So, very nice. Let's see if we can get into this guy too. Man, I have just an incredible amount of locks here by Thumper. Lock picking, police accountability. Just an arsenal of new locks. Thank you so much. Again, this is package day from Thumper. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.